Welcome to Swallow web application SWAPP. In this video, which will be the part 2 video of advanced delivery function, which is now renamed as delivery. In this list of menu, it is the fourth menu point, and our simple delivery is now renamed as pick to delivery. So this video, which will be the part 2 for advanced delivery function, which is now called as delivery function, will cover how to create or manage transport pallets. I hope the term transport pallet is already familiar to you. In the detailed video of simple delivery function, we have clearly explained in which all scenarios of swap parameter for transport pallet handling we will be having the visibility of transport pallets. You can please refer that video for more detailed information. Now, the creation and managing of transport pallet is possible from two functions, that is simple delivery and advanced delivery. First, let's take simple delivery, which is called now as pick to delivery. Select it. Let's take a particular delivery node. Here, 240 is required. No pallets are reserved so far. Let's reserve a quantity of 6. Right now, the swap parameter for transport pallet handling is set in such a way that we will be having transport pallets. Okay, then we have a pop-up. We don't have any pallets in background for selecting, so that's why automatically the pop-up for creation of transport pallet comes up. Here, if there were no transport pallet already existing and if this drop-down value for type and structure were only one, automatically system would have been created a transport pallet. Since we have more than one drop-down value, we need to select. So system creates a transport pallet and the newly created transport pallet will be auto selected. So we have attached a pallet here, and if you want to reserve more pallet, if you go and reserve the already created transport pallet will be there in the list. If you want to add that, you can either select it, or if you want to create a new pallet, you make use of this new transport pallet button. So this is how we create or select an existing transport pallet in simple delivery. Now let's save this data. Now let's see how managing of transport pallet happens in delivery function or advanced delivery function. Let's select delivery. So this was the delivery node for which we have now reserved pallet. Let's select it. Selected delivery node. We have the button for transport pallet. So now if you click on transport pallet button, we get a new pop-up for managing transport pallet, which is comparatively bigger than the one that we had seen in the case of simple delivery. It has 3 sections. The top section will list all the transport pallet. Then we have packages on transport pallet. So what all packages are there for the selected delivery node, and the list of transport pallets will be listed and all its corresponding packages will be listed here. In this case, we have only one package and one transport pallet. And if there were any free or available packages to be attached, that will be what displayed towards this right section. So if you select a transport pallet in this list, only corresponding packages for that selected transport pallet will be listed. Right now we only have a single entry, that's why it's not clear. Let's select some other delivery node. Here we have 2 transport pallet and we have a list of packages. So if you choose the first transport pallet, only those packages connected to that transport pallet will be listed. If you select the second one, those transport pallet packages for the selected transport pallet will be listed. At a time, only one transport pallet can be selected. As you see here, for this transport pallet, there is only one. Let's try to remove some packages from this transport pallet. You can either select multiple packages or 2 or 3 can be selected. If you click on remove, those removed free packages will be available towards this right section. And if you want to add that, those 3 to for the other transport pallet, select the transport pallet and then you can click on add button. So these are the newly added packages for this transport pallet. If you don't select anything, all will be listed. If you select a transport pallet only corresponding to those, the packages will be listed. So this is how we manage transport pallet in the case of advanced delivery function, or newly named as delivery function, where we can create transport pallet, which is very much similar to what we had seen earlier. Then add a package or remove package to transport pallets. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you for watching.